Let's get started. Down in the bottom right corner of your screen, right-click the speaker icon and select Open Sound Settings. In the Sound Settings window, scroll down a bit and click on Sound Control Panel. It's a small link on the right side. Once the control panel opens, you'll see 4 tabs at the top: Playback, Recording, Sounds, and Communications. Click on the Recording tab. Now, you'll see a list of all your audio devices. Look for the one labeled something like HD Webcam. That's your webcam mic. Your headset microphone should also be listed here. Right-click on the webcam mic and select Disable. You'll see a small down arrow next to it, which means it's now turned off and won't pick up any sound. Once that's done, click OK and test your mic. If the volume bar only moves when you're speaking into your headset mic, you're good to go. And that's it. Super quick and easy. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.